like that, I'm going to say tempo right on, man. When you do it just like that, I'm going to say tempo right on, man. About it. Alright, you got a whole lot of gear on the beautiful West Monroe, Louisiana, on the bayou. They call me Unit 22. Louisiana. John Dillinger, 25 in the bayou with no commission. Got down right there.
With the range from
John Dillinger in the bayou. Big Phil. I'll get my knees and knees now. Hey, Big Phil, it's John Dillinger. Really that bad? You're 25 and the BYU said, I'm going back down to the Super Bowl, man. I'm going to get my knees in the knees. Take care on the city grounds in California, Mr. Moonlight 25. John Dillinger on the bayou. John Dillinger, 25 on the... I'm 27, bye. John Dillinger, you hear that old fireball down there? That old fireball, 20 years old John Denver needs some help. Big Phil, John. I said, well, what's you, Big Phil? I wonder, we still got conditions around Illinois. Over 313, we're still baby Maverick.
we talked on, I believe in Harris Miller and all that, that's a real disc clock, what it is. But
313, right?
That's what she said, information she got. One they
just see if we still got any conditions. No, I'm gonna let it be known, man. I found really good in that water game, man. I found really good in that water game, man. Five in the bayou said I found really good in that water game. Thank you much for putting me on that water game. Okay, John Dillinger, 25 in the bayou country. Got down right there.
260 I heard somebody coming back to 49 in the Carolinas. 49 in the Carolinas.
That thing's got more forward swing, Phil. That thing is louder, and it's got a ton more forward swing than them other tubes. That thing seems to work better.
Both loud out here.
Yeah, it's working way better. I mean, I was seeing about the same watts on that thing, but I was seeing better peak watts, and it seems to be louder. Yeah, them tubes really seem to make a little bit of difference there, Big Phil. Even though what you had before worked awesome, and you could save them, just put them there in the cupboard there. If those tubes ever go bad or something goes wrong, you can put the other glass in there. But that thing seems to make it way entire louder, and it's got more forward swing.
Good. I like it. Doesn't seem to do much more on this meter, but then, you know, this meter's a piece of junk. But yeah, it's working good. Everything else, it's all good, I guess. Yeah, it sounded good. You did a good job. Tennessee. Y'all can't be getting lower talking, man. Y'all can't be getting plugging up my ears in the mouth, man. Hey, John Dillinger, 25 in the bayou, so y'all can't be plugging up my ear holes, man. Most of y'all got plug... Country, yeah, you heard right, 80 dBs. Y'all can't be just showing out around Louisiana. I got 80 dBs in my building, 100 dB meter. Got 80 dBs in the bayou. 25, Louisiana said bye. Well, 25, we don't mean to plug your ears. It's just a real quick thing is all me and John Denver was going to tell. He just put some new tubes in my amplifier this morning. And first time we ran it with the new tubes in it, so he was telling me it sounded better. CB Strap, Facebook. Triple J CB Strap on Facebook. I mean, I'm gonna make a video while you talking. 80 to 100 dBs in the value. Triple J CB Strap on Facebook.
You still in there?
Hey, you trying to get on down?
2020 live wire mobile. Just got on down.
Hello, 404. Again, Cincinnati.
Stop jumper. Hey boy, where did you go, Johnny? Hey boy.
Hey, here's your 1-3 Watergate. It's gonna go out. I'm going out there and none of anybody else. Hello on the west side. Joe the Grinder at the supper table. I'm gone.
Joe the Grinder. That was like radio blackout on the west side. Nothing but that good modulation. Joe the Grinder, a big fill on the bottom of Cali. Go.
Hello, big Phil. I'm supposed to you for me. The Lord knows after I eat, I might find time to sleep. Soon you get out this way, big Phil. Joe the Grinder gone.
We got a cover on 21. Got a good copy. Good, you that big 6 5 welcome. I'm calling 6 5. Coast of Alabama. Bottom side of sunny Southern California. We're about listening. My brother. Well, I've got confirmation on how I'm looking out in the west side. 6 5. 6 5 small radio station on a big station conversation in my you don't make a 5, you only tell 414, you said a big hello. 414, leaping lizard with a 5.
Hey, leaping lizard. The Silver Eagle around Alabama with a happy 5. Good afternoon.
West side, 6 5, 6 5, small radio station, bottom side of beautiful Mobile, Alabama, looking out west, right?
Good afternoon, and all around Farmtown.
Believe the lizard, I rolled your 5 like you told it, I'm that quiet. Good evening, 250, and that good sounding Mobile, 6 5, 6 5, bottom side of Alabama on the coast, I'm looking out west, over.
Oh, good evening, Eagle. I'm back to my supper. We'll see you.
Hey, 6 5 on the coast. 6 5 on the coast.
Hey. The bottom side of the band, 404 Birmingham, Alabama, just got all the way down.
Hey, Joe, I feel her in Birmingham.
Well, you gotta be the good guy to see the world. Guess when you be the good guy, you finish last. 6-5 in the heart of Texas. I guess I'm gonna be the good.
I'll never get out to that nice story. I get a fine trip on the flat side here in Birmingham, Alabama.
Hey, Birmingham. Hey, Birmingham.
You know, Mom always said it wouldn't fly to the top of the mouthful, so I can get out and do some stuff talking later. 104 Birmingham.
Yeah, but I got it quiet. That's 4-0. Too slow. 1, 2, 3. Guess old Mother Nature be all up north in Alabama to see nobody down south. 6-5 in the heart of Dixon, standing by. Hey, 6-5. Mr. 6-5, that Louisiana. No, you're in the BAM. On the Gulf of Mexico. Mr. 6-5, Big Phil just waving. Hey, good evening, Phil. Hey, Big Phil, out on your side of the chip. West side, 6-5 on the coast. Waving over there, out of Dixon. Big Phil, good evening. How are you? Mr. 65. Yeah, you got plenty of conditions. With that big old radio you got, you making conditions out here in the BOC. Sounding real good, young man. Sounding real good out here in the Valley of the Sun where it's raining. Well, not right now, but it has been today and supposed to for tomorrow. 65 in the BAM. BOC.
Hello, Cooper Lizard.
Oh, you got up off that mall, Big Phil. Excuse me for the slow catch. Want to see who was that background singing behind you. Good evening, Big Phil. I'm going to start by a minute to see what else going on, but you sound real joyous with all those background singing. But that's what it should be in the background. Big Phil, West Side, 6-5 on the coast. Somebody listening.
Hey, tell 6-5. He got took out by the radio reactor.
Hey, Cripple Lizard on that hill. You got top in the roadhouse? Cripple Lizard on the hill, roadhouse. Time, one more time. Bang, bang. Yeah, I'll be right back. Tell them to catch this double L. I'll be right back.
Hello, Cripple Lizard. Yeah, I have to keep my thumb on those 6-5. You know how it is when your ducks get out of line. You have to put them back in. Good afternoon to you, Cripple Lizard, 404 Birmingham.
About 18 rodeo out here in southern Indiana. Hello, 88, Mojave Desert. Cincinnati, Wiggins. Southern Indiana, waving. I am saying howdy, howdy. Sound like a local at 88. I'm not bumping. I'll let you know you're making a fine trip around Cincinnati. But any later, 88 in Mojave. A little 7 back quiet. Northern Cal. 707, we're right back. In my Harvey Desert, 19 Alabama standing by. Okay, I appreciate it.
Good night, California. Y'all got a company in Kentucky. 515 calling.
Good on later, number 9, Northern Cal.
I'm ready to get out of this thing close out, station. Man, out there in California. Out in Kentucky's calling right there. Say he's talking on his local. I'm going to find something on the mobile. Right, John Dale, I appreciate it, man. Appreciate you in there out there, that's for sure there. I'll get back on your way. If you came by west out there, 505 from Frankfort, Kentucky, and I'll be standing by. Right. 174, Bayou Stable waving that hand in there. 174 from the Bayou Stable waving that big old hand in there. Come on. Oh, California. Out there with the Beach Boys. We're back, California. We got a copy on 505 Kentucky.